How to use image search in Google AI mode? Follow this step. To start off, open the Google app on your device and ensure that the Google AI mode is enabled. Next, tap on the Images tab at the top of the screen. Here, click on the search bar and type a query, then search for it. From here, click on any image you want. Then tap the lens icon on the image to start an AI-powered search. Moreover, you can search images directly from your gallery. To do this, go back and click on the lens icon located on the right side of the search bar. From here, you have two options, either to take a new photo or upload an existing image from your gallery. Once you have selected your image, Google AI will automatically start analyzing it. You will receive enhanced results such as detailed description, product matches, homework, visual matches, and about this image. Additionally, you can also ask follow-up questions about the image or request more details. There you go. Now you know how to use image search in Google AI mode.